Welcome to the Advanced Search tutorial for JSTOR. Click on Advanced Search, which appears just below the search box on the main page, to enter the Advanced Search screen. Advanced Search allows for more guided and targeted searches. The Advanced Search screen has more than one search box. You can connect search terms by using the relevant operator from the pull-down menu. Let's enter gender in the first search box and identity in the second search box. Combining the two terms with "and" lets us narrow our search and retrieve results that contain both of these search terms. To expand a search and get more results, use "or" to connect search terms. Click on the arrow next to "and" select "or" from that list. An "or" search is usually used with synonyms. Click on Add field to add another search field. Let's do that, and let's enter behavior problems. You can select "and", or not between search terms, or search for words that appear near one another by doing a proximity search. You can search by full text, author, item title, abstract, and caption. Let's look for our first two terms, gender and identity, in the item title field, and let's search for behavior problems in the full text field. Since only a small percentage of the articles in JSTOR have an abstract at this point in time, it's best not to limit your search to abstract. Captions will find illustrations with your search terms in the caption. If we do not wish to search external content that we don't have access to, we can uncheck that box. This means that we will not be able to access the current issues of JSTOR journals that are not in JSTOR but are available at another site. We can narrow our search by item type. We can search by full-length articles, books, pamphlets, reviews, and miscellaneous stuff. Let's restrict our search to full-length articles. If we wish to search for articles from a certain publication, we can enter the name of the publication in the title search box. We can also search by ISBN. We can also refine our search to one or more disciplines. If we click on the plus sign next to a discipline, we will get all the publication titles in that discipline, and we can further refine our search by selecting a publication or publications from that list. To limit the search by date range, enter your dates in the search boxes provided. Let's look for articles that appeared from 2005 or later. We can also limit our search by language if we wish. Now click on Search to see the results. We get 22 results for this search. Note that every one of the articles is available in PDF format. Click on PDF to open the article. And if you wish to print, you might have to accept JSTOR's terms and conditions to proceed to the PDF, and use the print icon on your PDF browser to print the article. Let's close out of this and return to our result list. To see the article summary, click on the Article Summary tab, and that will give you a brief abstract of the article. Note that not every article in JSTOR has a summary at this point in time. If you click on an author's name, you will get all of the other articles in the database by that author. Clicking on Page Scan will take you to the first page of the article, and you can click on the right arrow to get to the next page and the left arrow to get back one page. When viewing an article, look for a box on the right where you can run the author search again, or you can search for items related in Google Scholar or for items citing this item in Google Scholar. You can also get updates via email and via RSS feed. To view our search terms within the article, click on View List of Pages with Search Terms, which appears right above each page scan. There are a few more ways to search JSTOR. There's a search box at the top of almost every page where you can search a particular issue, the entire title, or all content in the database. From the search menu on the top, you can get to advanced search. If you have a citation to an article, you can find the article through Citation Locator, also under search. Here are a few search tips. To search for an exact phrase, type the phrase within quotations. For example, stand your ground. Use the wildcard symbol, the asterisk, to look for any number of words after the root word. Typing an asterisk after AMERI will retrieve America, American, Americans, etc. Use the pound symbol to find variations of a word. Goose followed by a pound symbol will retrieve goose, geese, gosling. Note, when you're in the full record, you have the option to view your citation, email it, export it, save it, etc. Let's click on the back arrow to return to the result list. If you wish to mark records for printing or saving or downloading, click on the checkbox next to each title. You can also save records to view later. In order to do that, you need to create a JSTOR account with a username and password. Then type in a search name and click on Save. Select the frequency that you would like to be alerted via email or RSS feed whenever a new article containing your search term is added to the database. Thank you for taking this tutorial. For additional help, consult the help documentation or see a librarian at the reference desk.